What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is a new background. Yes, it is a white wall. I don't know. I just figured let's try something new today. But guys, before I get to the most exciting part of today, let me show you all something. I'm gonna unbox something for you all real quick. And you all just hear me out. You all let me know if you all can figure out what this package goes with. But yeah, if you all have any ideas, leave it in the comments right now. Like before we even see this, like put it in the comments. Pause the video. Put your ideas in the comments. I want to hear them. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, while I'm unboxing this, I did something. Just want to let you all know I did something. And it's something that I've been making videos about for a while. So if that doesn't give you a hint, I don't know what does. So, but guys, this is a vacuum off Amazon. It comes with all these accessories. It's by Vacuummaster. So guys, if you're interested, Vacuummaster, check them out. But anyways, so yeah, here it is. Well guys, we have the Vacuummaster here. The Vacuummaster. Easy on and off. It's a wet and dry vac, so that's another good thing about this. Another thing, let's see here, how to open it. I think you just push these tabs in, and then it opens right up, and there's the filter. Jeez, that is a huge filter, guys. That's as big as my head. That's all I gotta say. That is as big as my head. So, but yeah, there's the filter. I don't know what this thing is. Guys, I'm trying to figure this out. But anyways, I'm gonna put this together and I will see you all after I get this done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I figured it's time. It's time that we grow as individuals and as a channel. So, as I was saying earlier, I did something. You know, I don't really know how to say this. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm still trying to process it. There's a lot to do with this new upgrade, I guess you could say, and help me create better videos for you all. And guys, with this E90 series, this is going to help complete this E90 series build with what I've done today. So, without further ado, enough talking, enough messing around, enough all that stuff, enough unboxing stuff. Let's get to the fun stuff. I know you all want to see all the fun stuff. You all want to see the builds. You all want to see the car action. You all are tired of seeing this daily Sunday fun day stuff and I don't know, just all the random stuff that we do. Let's get into something that you all want to see because this is about you all. I do YouTube for you all. So, without further ado, welcome to our new shop. Well guys, this is where we're going to be making most of the videos now. We're still going to be going to car meets, we're still going to be doing all that stuff, but guys, this, like I said before, this is going to open up a whole new world of videos for you all and opportunities and experiences for us as YouTubers. So I hope you all enjoyed this. James cannot be here, unfortunately. He's got to work, so I figured I'd go ahead and make this video because it needed to be done. But anyways, guys, welcome to the shop, and I hope you all enjoy what's up and coming. Because guys, if you all haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. The E90 series is on its way. It is here. It is here. The E90 series has arrived. We're actually bringing the E90 over this afternoon. So get ready for that. And guys, I'll see you all in the next video.